Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda and I love saying things. Ooh, I got a little holiday vibes going on. It's almost holiday time. I want to tell you that I love to say things. Did I already say that? I don't know, but if I did, it's super true. And today I'm going to be saying things and doing things with the Waiting Room palette from the Beetlejuice collection from Melt. I wanted this as much as I wanted the other one, but I hesitated. I'm glad I waited because I was able to get it on sale at Sephora they had a $25 off of a $75 purchase for Rouge members, and I happen to be Rouge. Woo-hoo-hoo. And so I was able to get this for cheaper, and it is beautiful. Yeah, you can see all my mess. And it comes with a little plastic liner that actually has the scene. You can see right there, the scene from the waiting room with the lady that's cut in half. It's very cool. And it is a beautiful palette. And I'm about to swatch it for you. It's swatching time. We love swatches. Yours and mine. I make up songs off the top of my head. And if I ever stop, then I'd probably be dead. So silly, Rhonda. You're so silly. Anyway, let's get in here. This is Obituary, No Exit, Sawed Girl, Dante's Inferno, and Lydia. And I will bring the swatches closer to you also. Look at that pigment. Beautiful. I love reds. I love grays. I love colors. I love these palettes. I wish I got more of the collection now. I was like, money was a little tight. I couldn't pull the $350 for the whole collection. I could not swing, but I could get one lippy and two palettes. And this is Charmin, Tombstone, Shrunken Head, Juno, and Sandworm. These are swatching fantastically. Well, that one's real light. That's a glitterish. It's a glitterish. You can see it when I put it up there, but it is a really nice palette. I'm going to clean it off my arm. Look at that. It's just lingering. Lingering. Oh my God. I gotta get it off my arm. You can still see where they were, sort of. But I'm scrubbing. I am scrubbing these off of my person. And Ruby is shut out of the door. Rome's in the other room playing one of his games with his friends. I am here doing makeup. And it's a lovely day. And we're happy about it. And by this time, Rome will have had surgery. And I hope you send him good healing vibes because he is recovering from the surgery at this point in the world that we live in. So we definitely will appreciate any good vibes in advance for sure. Oh, Wolfie's in here. And I think Louie. So I've got 2 out of the 4 cats in here. They're just gonna have to deal. But I'm not sure where I want to start. I think I'm gonna start with Sandworm. And I'm going to, it's a little dusty in the pan, but it picks up great on the brush. And I'm just going to put this under the brow and cover the base of my whole eye with it. Yeah, I definitely got Wolfie in here. And I normally don't do a full base with one color like this. I usually just do a crease, but I know I want this under my brow. And then I'm going to use that shimmer Judo, like on my inner corner, my inner lid. I've got plans for that already. So next is like what? Next is what? We don't know. It's so exciting. Some of these colors seem a little similar, but they are a little different. I think I'm going to go into Shrunken Head and put that in the crease. And look, it picks up great Very pigmented. What's up, Wolfie? I know you guys love my kitties in the video. That's right, Wolfie. We love having you around. And I just took that and just blended it. You'll have to stay in here for a little while, buddy. Mama's busy. You're a good sport. And that looks pretty even and really nice. I do love a gray. I am going to try to blend that out a little more on the edges, just to soften it up as much as I can. A little more. There we go. That looks much better. All right, now I feel like I want to go into Sod Girl right here. It's kind of a magenta-ish red. So I don't want to. So I'm going to use this brush. It's a crease brush, and I'm going to go into it. And it is picking up crazy good. I always do that like it's a cigarette or something, because I'm not good at, I don't like to tap on the palette. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. I'm glad you agree, Wolfie. It is vibrant and lovely. You sure are chatty, buddy. Oh, it's so pretty. I am loving it. I wonder what to do now. It looks like I need to put a little more on the lid there. Yeah, it looks a little more similar. Mosim, because my eyes are always cousins. They're never sisters or twins or whatever the fuck people say. But this palette is going on fantastically. And I feel like I want to get a fluffy brush. There's not hardly any kick up in this pan. There was a little for Sandworm. But I think I want to go into Obituary here. And on a fluffy brush. Just kind of dust the edges and blend up. Oh, that's looking cool. Oh Lord, Wolfie found something to chew on. This is super cool. That is, I'm loving this so much. It's so cute. And it's so dramatic. I'm gonna have to really do some kind of vampy lip with this. Probably something black. Or, oh, I've got a gray. I've got a nice gray. That'll look fantastic. Now I'm going to take Juno, the shimmer, on my finger. Oh, it's kind of glittery looking. And I'm going to put it on the inner part of the lid and blend it a little into the color Sod Girl. Soften everything up just a little bit. Oh, that's really nice. Let me put a little more. Very cool. I'm loving it. I'm going to put a darker color in the crease. And I think I'm going to go for Charmin, which is black. I'm just going to go in real light with it just to add some depth. I think that's looking great. And they look similar, like I said, but they're not exactly the same. They never are. But I think this is the look. Let me put it all together with the little film. And let's do the liner and the mascara. We're going to use the Star Gems liner, and it is called Asteria. And mascara with the Dark Star mascara from Pat McGrath. Oh, it's all right, Wolfie. I'll let you out in just a second. Such a good boy. And let's do that lip. In the gray. And this lip is KVD in Wolf. And that looks super cool and super cute. And I hope you enjoyed this look today. I'm super glad to have had the Waiting Room palette from Beetlejuice. It's fantastic, super pigmented, and totally worth the money. And I'm super glad I got it. Have a great day or the day of your choice. We'll see you real soon.